na ba Pishigu-Lana o diti fila pam ka fila ma karatu ne fo inga kamsa hati kuliya karatu ne ta pasolo ka leven yalanga kama bokati ne to nan en son Dagba o ye to ashe kamsa hama de saye kamsa hanta ta pregle tin mele ama ta ban nan da our destiny must be written by us, not for us. That is all. That's all. Kuyashi tashama zambelama. This is me a soul. Challenge to challenge it to mountain. Challenge to challenge it to from now till what I call the next Damba. Katiri to the yinanti yaya. Tenda wumi yeto ashalla tenza lo kupuka tashalmo. Tenda wumi yeto ashalma. Tenza lo kuyeto, tenza lo kupuka tashalmo. Because only the filama. There no man welcome. Because started Zahati had the halale the mamma, not the greater good. But we have to start thinking about the greater good.
Yebo ka sokamene Andani na mono sutu za ga wan kamumbe volne kam ko tumo kana munye na Bakpem Kari-Naa no titi to fila ba ima ejine kake de yetoa njesa wara malbo ka wum yeto ashare dampat le onyan zantete inyabe na Bakpem Kari-Naa mampon yale don na ko yina ama yezo ba ko la yina zabzo don zabzo no atiyala topa Butubon na toma yewum na kabe ne Kari-Naa na toma o tumtuma yuge dan zo o mi ben yara pam ka ta shabin mire dan zo yi pa solo yam bo hanye to pam ka bo han pam ne kalam bo han puriye to a wonwan domine dalla mun sura shi wa Sani wa yadda ayam pa da bilgo ya to shal dan sun da asune kada bilgo ma to chanto kada pan ko me ko rayo ta asune sai ba domin businessman na yau wala mi to parga ya to a don zo ban yara pambene kamne bon ko ya to a ban yara pambene ka o miri ya to a don zo ban ya solo ka ba no ko na yi se difi
Kuruzuyo, Jimbalam Katamari, Yanamana Wulam yo, Yimna Katunia.
Le nom de Dagbon Carlo et Gafara. Pishigu-Lana, Regional Minister, Salga North MP, Repositioning, Alhaji Mahamaro, Bakpem Andani, Bakpem Namza Bakpem. Nzalaki kama mamman ya nzalaki inda yana ya zo kankana tishin fi inda yana ono su daban ko zo kan shin fi zo ore bang ma ta photo no mo bang ya press Babana mal solo no wonti en to akasan Bakpem na wono sonte za ndariya na garba the second woni yanen kana antizana I hope I will just mix up with the Dagbon and English. Before you come to America, you have to be brilliant. So therefore, the brilliant people arrange themselves and make a trip to America. But America is such a way that if you are a brilliant person and you come to America and you don't take time, you will be a dunderhead. Because the atmosphere will deceive you. The atmosphere will deceive you not to go back to your hometown. The atmosphere will make you lazy not to work again. And you will forget the purpose of coming here. So I'm seeing this world as a Dagbon. I'm saying it's Dagbon because when I just look at everybody's eyes, and I can see everybody here is open to hear what we have before you. And the reason why the Dagbon is not progressing is that we are not pulling each other forward. We are rather pulling each other down. That's caused the diaspora in America or Europe not to progress. And we are making today as a Damba Festival Summit. You people are not changing the bar to reality. As our grandfathers, we just come and dance and give the money to our tom-tom beaters and go home and sit down and sing. This time, you people let us rethink. You people in America, you let the one wake up again. You are not telling us that the band is not like dance. We now modernizing the Dagbon culture so that after the Damba festival, we will make sure that we get something done. After the ED festival, we have to make sure that we get something done. When we finish everything, we see to it that what we had will help our children. And you people, you have many chances to let the bank go forward. And you have many chances to let the Gombas fall down. Because all the chances is with you. The whole world is in America. All the technologies, they are in America. all the NGOs there in America, how many NGOs do you bring to Dagbon? None. And if you look at the Dagbon, about 100% NGOs, they are in Ghana. And it's only the bank alone has taken 80%. Other 20% divided to the southern sector. And the 20%, they are doing better than 80%. Why? Because you don't follow what is going, what is moving here to your own town. No baby you could hear or could man la. Benshaw Zotan Kanawa. Don't come down to Wawa. It has shading it to help Sumamazo Katakana. Little Zan Zampai. Then Banu Bagisha. Malaki will shall bounce some shell now in the Tiama. Is a Habajo. Iya no tosses in Missile. And a Shaba. Then the Melatisima. Ama, cut also my yebene. I toss a figure and it's on a tutu. Russo, Kayan, so all my yellow Dagbon. The Bahai, Bakpem, we are Dagbon Development Fund. Kala Kara, cut the board in Western. To me, be young, yen bang the diaspora from my ye, gum lormatity. The young by some Jelana. Then I'm going to the young cordial derma. Tell Lan and Nampam cut to two. Those were cut to connect. The me, yen better yen by Shia. The banco to Chantune, Kin and by Shia Oma Carapune. She did it. Because Imre Bambalore, Dunia Yellows are there tomorrow. Kaulaka Dunia Yellow and Betune, Katanama Bibiana, Kakala Lorma. There is something wrong. Where Yellow Bisharan Taki Kala Lorma. Don't share it bien. Katama Purgapui Kayinga and Mamma Lore Kayinga Kalor Kakumian. Katanama Pambatana Yere. Will it tell a car to your Bomona Malore Kavamonum Kalore? Orozo Chekai check at the field. Katanama na ye. Let him be Kanashama. They gave me Yalon nearby Nahe. Kaye Yalon nearby Nahe. At the Bob and Drew, were numbered Paranontre. Kajaka Tilly. Ama Bendu shall be antimaya. The timber did waller. Kajik mamma, but one aside. The wall. And I might no sort of someone who tempted Benjamin and Numma. O bone on ya, but Bemba man by Hankashell, the Bamel or my number Hankashell. One part non dry. I do a minimum Benjamin will come. Yanni. Kazan Yulma went to Kari Beno. Then a sort of someone the Benjamin. The summer a ditma to Benjamin. Bishop and tell cat the Guamba to a gentleman can hear a woman. Ka Bam the other side put to town a camel or ma. Are you not here? Alhassan, Kaulaka now, not lie. You will never do my ambition. Can you do my door? Mamma, wall and sound. Fishan will you, David, or Bolatia. Zama Jiruma. Alhassan shouldn't pay, Fishan, I was shouldn't pay, Yaku, I was shouldn't pay. More than a treasant. More item 2 weeks. Was that tea, Alhaji Mahmad? Alhaji Mahmad 2 go dinner. That tea, Fishan. Fishan 2 go dinner that tea, Yaku. Coveted my side. Bam, the other side, Makabe, what tabla, Kafara Melbama, Kavia Namu, open Jetia. Those were something that you keep. Don't go war over here. No one to bring young. 3 Jima Ka Yamanegi, who cannot support. Yatinegi. Banget Tama Kamsher to the Bambo Tabla Kamjina Timber Kanama Boba. Who are keen on tea? What I represent to Nuti. Then a man could be to form my man, the board letter. So, them what Tama to sound letter. So, as I'm bedding my piama, to the song letter to Kayina. Kawasambambe what tabla where I don't put me in a jet here. So I don't let it ma Karwa, it is antibiotic to be good to sound like it ma. To demand the cabin Shaibu border association. Lango de Pishigu, but Medium tell me Jarababian, Maka Yergla, Lori Yere. Make a young baby again in your knee, you need yet to suka. Let them get down. The Parliament area, even the American woman. The bomber knitting in Palayinama. He be Zantish, the one year knitting of Yayan and Ma. Tell me, Yayan and Ma. Give me Utaba. In the Pana, the one coming years. They took a year, keep on my mark, and I'm going to be. The Pai, Kandariana, Tumana. The one, my letter Nabi. Can Nabi Ma be going chanton shall be ya, the Gerardo. We are man in the whole America. Kade, New York, be New Jersey, the whole America. Yet the Bamana, Palla, Alhaji Mahmad. I'm always on a Zantia. Little Zan Paragu, the me, when you're a Bilchimba. I chancel, I never Bilchimba chancel. And to Barcelona, I'm a Pargo, Abayera. The Maya Parma, the Ableni, Kakanan to be, the Yana Sani, was Anparu, Zanta. Roso Zon Alzumbo, the mere Punli Latin and the Alzumba. The Cheka Bakpem, Mahmaro, Alhaji Mahmaro, who cannot be Kazan, the Yana, Yedamano. Yes, Andy. Hello. Yes, Andy. Laugh for shells at town. I ever Willem Bellama. Laugh. When I live there, yelling them for you know. ya zo lazim ndo yaba ya zo lazim ndo amma yaba mamna nyamna titabe kada bancan tu rozo zan la la zan da cire ba pradema kala kati yirma dere nyela gule gule kan ma zo che kamba pre piso lanzan America zaha Dagbon na yil pargo zan yara me na de apol ngbe America Dagbon be kayugi America ama tela zan la be shaw paha ayusma na da gbshema na sulu den nyenam na me nyela be shaw ay ka sulu akutu ko nirwa ngabe na bolo yule kan jena mbole shela ma zo no bolo wa do me ngabe nyaba ora ye we Nantogma ye zanga yushelta ka na chena su we a yulim bonu solo la ngure kala yema da itini yul kan yam gwelzanti nirba solo la ngure kala yema amir kwanne da dama bera ai chen pune galma da bialangu ka be non yema koko nyel kpanan zan chanti yile sole kuyi timalba ka be yina yilga de galmana in chasserle dan tam ko kuma non wula de nyoya ben chassel ma kar lurwula kar ko lur na belle lur chamsma purgamana ka be bobim tuwe nyu den palan galma wula ka be non ble zan mi yile ama ka solo ka kumumia ka yema me bi galma ki fiable ma yedi ka guge de bi ma de to la sala ko solo la ngul ka yulum bala ati tan yela nga ba na tamu abutale
nan ndeya na wonne shongma kanto ko be nyirba me lambel ma pahan zuma irna de na chimbe ma na un pahan ba suglo ka be shongma kanto ko be na
Yeah.
Northern Regional Minister, the Honorable MP for Salaga North, and the Chicago representative here for Northern Association of Chicago. Northern Dagbon in North America, Alhaji Muhammad, Nyab Andani, and senior bro leaders. I'm going to spend a little bit of time acknowledging the Bishop Ben Bambama, Kabanoma, Tenangoma. The Mabi Biki Yakubu Salif, Jacob Bevo, Tao Kani, or Yusuf, Idi Baka, or Idi Chiang. Okay, Yakubu Benyang. Timali, Alhassan Shaibu, Benza for non the sons of Alhassan born. And Sam Dean Babiani, Alhaji Ganiyu, and Juna. Benin yet the Bishop Sons on Gleka, Jingoma, and Kamatama. So, it is our woman academa, and Nanamon Karam, Yana. Wabit to Babin and never to sound the Bangli of the Sin Yetwa in songs. The so the committee of the first in Timbornity Yelingera on behalf of the Bambazaha Bambi North America. The Repornity Pukapai and the Yana. But yet was Shelly in Bisa in the Bang. That when like about Pumpo, the Payera Zazari, the Ninja. Then leadership and direction. The Malawi Shakam, Tam Tiam, the so much. The human resource is the most important resource you can think about. And here we are. But Bishadi in Misra, the most important ingredient that has been missing in the bond development is the leadership and the direction or vision. And that is what Ndayana has provided now. So we want, through his presentation here, to extend our thanks to him. That's the number one thing we want to say. We also want to thank Bakpem Kari-Naa on a step out. Repositioning, the regional minister, just like the Dagbon Traditional Council, has a role to play in helping to develop the Dagbon. He has the political power. He has the political influence. So now that we're all together, we can leverage that, and he is a Dagbon as well. So we can leverage whatever political influence that he has in the north, in addition to what our traditional representative has, to help in promoting what Shola has presented to us as the Dagbon development plan. The most important thing I want to stress here is that Naibewa has presented this Dagbon development plan to us, and we are just a piece of the puzzle. It is a much bigger program, okay? So we have to find what we fit into that bigger plan. So the first thing we want to do is we want to assure Naibewa, through his representative here, that we are fully committed. Whatever it is going to take, whatever role is assigned to us in that document, we want to assure Naibewa, through the representation here, that we will do everything within our power. We will do everything that it takes to fulfill that commitment. Okay, it is financial resource, whatever it takes, we're going to try to do that. And that is our commitment to Ndayana. We're going to have got some discussions after this with the representative as to the kind of effort we're going to be putting together. The plans that we have. We're going to start coordinating with our sister states. We're going to start to see if we can put together a database that we can collect information for all the Gombes across the United States. And if possible, we can extend to Europe. If we can get our numbers together, like Pishigu-Lana mentioned during the presentation, if we can get our numbers together, it is just going to take a little bit of contribution from each one of us, and we will be able to mass these resources together in order to undertake this developmental project. One thing we want to also add here is we have to learn from history. Most developmental efforts in Dagbon through organizations don't survive their original leadership. If you look back at what we had through DNet, DIA, these were all organizations of Dagbon that came together trying to help in the development of Dagbon. But they fizzled off. Why did they do? Our organizations have a history of not surviving those who initiate them. The Dagbon development plan is supposed to be a long-term project. So what are we going to do to make sure that this effort continues even after the passage of those who started? That's something we have to be thinking about. We can't allow this to die. We have to allow it to stand the test of time. In summary, on behalf of the planning committee, on behalf of Dagbon, the Northern Dagbon Chief, I again want to extend our thanks to Andani, Bakpem, Kari-Naa, Repositioning, Northern Regional Minister, and all the rest of them who have come here to help make this a success. To put a kapai.
Iyalman kama inya na Pishigu-Lana zang development plan mazan so kam za ni copy dinya la email ka bona zang tana ka zang tana amanti amaninya account ma tam kam bona ni la baje yeah so good so na yilim yebo yiro wom ka o yel na yilim yebo de malbaje galrna sahme ka bora ya male vinyele hati na ban shakam de kan de ne ba chante po Andani ya na vinyele ne te yilma dembesho na ma me yul bar pam yu ka ne yu comme si ye comme si ni quand bien hal ka kombon na mote yi ama chambe na yile de viol gat na yile dan zo to por la lagre comme de samse ka bi labe ban labe tal polo de dan tale de samse ka bi labe ya jinin dan ya na Sani ya tinye abihma ababirni ma tinye ba dan zo ban shi ban za ban sha titin ta ka ta bon de samse ko nyele ka pu ta lam bom pa ya de me nyela ta ban kul shi ya mo dan zo te bor la lgre so ka bor lgre biane te bang te ma ka bal betian la ba ka to shi 2 billion shi ro kurala bala 2 billion ma le nyela la they got $10,000. The men told you that he must have gained. So those that do not understand Dagbon, we are looking for money between today and tomorrow, so that when the delegates go back home, they can present this money to the king of Dagbon. Say, look, we went, the guys were happy, the ladies and the young men were all happy, and this is what they have given to us. Just a start, not the real one. Because the real one, we have to be able to come out with maybe $50,000 or $100,000 in the future as our contribution. But for now, between today and tomorrow, let's work hard to get at least $20,000. So I stand here to start with my contribution as $2,000. So we want pledges from people. Come on, there's a box here. For now, you can give us anything that you will give us. If you have 10 CDs, if you have $10, from Sadat, another 2,000. Now 1,000. Now down to 400. Now we're down to 1,000. Who's coming up with 1,000? Ganil 1,000. Any hand on this side with 1,000? 1,000.
Osman Shitu.
Osman Shitu 1,000. Idi 1,000. Basha 1,000. Yakubu 1,000. I need this money between today and tomorrow. Because we need to submit the money on Sunday to the delegates so that they can take it home. Now 500.
1,000 mas for up here. Samudin 10,000.
Samudin 1,000. Good. 500. 500. Abdulai 500. Nadia 500. Sadiq 500.
Carlos 500.
Carlos 500.
What's your name? Rashid.
Rashid 500. Alhassan 500.
Isa, how much? Isa 500.
Halik
500.
Yele wum na Bakpem ni yele na ba Pishigu-Lana ben san ye to shel san shonte be mal muso ko pam yele wum de empty ban yele ti ye to shele man ko ban nan san la ben yen ka pa ya afa dura da yer male sa hakam ne yo na handa chan o mno pakan shia ko chan ko mi o chang mo kala no tu nyu kom kato kuna klum mor jia o mor jia ko pa ko no wula ba nyu kom ma o be yel shere kaptlan jia ko ese chang no ya nyula ko ma lan kuna klum mor ko bo no wula araran kuna ka kun saka ninne zongo ko lan nam mon yel nam we to ma bi ben be yingla we ka yung bibelon wa kultulo mormane kom ne baka tu ñu ko ku fiab ba ganda ko fiab na mo ganda we ko ku zans no ba tabbo ba ha we ama bi chogam ñene chogam ma dan zon bon ne yele ama bi chogam ñene chogam wala kan ne yarma ay ne Dagbon ko chogam Kaji Allara, ni mama a chokan sambala, then zon mabihe. to kwanga to ma ka to tabra tabka tura to de chwanya ti chwam ama bi chwanya ne chwam ma to den zo de be miang MP de kana to be de miang MP Suzanne Kable de bang to be ko anta de dernier so bobe ya be yala ina den chaka yeni ko ina ma to bi wa ma bi so nya bon bo hay ka wula ki ko bo worte bo ko ni ke yin nya ma dam dan zo bi dar ya ti ko na me ma gwa di chen ma
bala wa na ba pur karna Pishigu-Lana so igen ne tna yilma so man ta harsa kana ne forget ne ngambare wan wakati na yilma yanda yilma from different location bana yil kulma ke man turan tun kaman tourist center dia nama yang mo kal tuma ku kana ne tun ba kampani ma tin ko Dagbon be bambra so ne ko ndi ma ko sunda na yima so ma da fannon congested ni ma anya to di nung la ma tin lu ba di na ko ma ba ni to ba ni je ne tra de for the town ma kana ma ba ko na ma ta income ba ni na ma ba ni ko ba na ma ba sa ba ni na ma ni song de la tung na ma ka song de ko de ko la je ni ni to to ma ko ko ba ni ya ni song president ma so ni kama dar da ni ma kan ye banda ye ko
ambo he to sema na nyasi pam nde yana da kwala committee kala committee ma kaye nanan pia nanu Achijile Dagbon na yiye ma kaya na yoko ti yela Dagbon na yeza ama tule linye ya na yimo ayene dilinye shepulo ichantime na yirma dile fiala ama dadam kamala yuo la mi ngodo kabi to dia ngana ngoma zana na manula zambi kabi lo kam kamber yu awe zerga pire da banyo tiyana ma bizada sula nauna zana son yempie lela susuma da tunan ka ta damna to me da damna la biya ma ta yi ko do so no kura da yaya ne ti bayyana ta yi na yi ma zan ta she kuluma bamba sale kana kin me yele ne ko le tale kabiyana be bubwala kati yelba yeti yana manda tuma zanno susuma de bola de ko ana kimba yele de tulambom afanam bi de banda ba kablanya abuba yina tuma no pol palen ka na yema lammi anu kuroma la yele ya no ma da chen ma ka kubla yer ma le tulu pompo afa no ma ka bazan ko yer ma ya no ma da tuma bazan me pompo afa no ma bazan ayuna ti yaba na na bla nda yen chang ante boda bang afara kuma tuma zan na galene ka posel kwan wotu no tuma ko posel kwan no wala no tuma ni kala yiro we nyamla bikam ko zamala la tu shene tum ne kan yakwa ma njant fiam ma ban tahra ne ma entiha la ne ma la chanya to me bra ye de ban kam ni ma le ko ye ora na za sa ye ti cham de fiam ma kuma lo so ayu ya ne shel de chamba na abla na mi shema de bienima lo so ka to ko mo we na yelma ama te popolte ban susu ma te yen la shama te yen la ye kam polo santu ka po sole karmi kam na yise janti kemi nso ka na ye kuluma to bo na te yise ni ba ni me entira 86 houses ama ayu na ye forma ka ye ma za nye complete shenya dura yi rozo ka to bo na ye ma za ni me yen zanyela to ko position ka ta dura. Without the contribution, we can't do anything.
Our profession. So, ingela mboha masada. Osuhur gafara. Kilo mboha ngela security zanchang yompol. And the Bahra, the Changla development, and the Bahra Karichang politics. Min te Dagbon na mayocho. So security ma mi chiang me te pa anga wanda dirin wala go kai ni chang patama ka tu patama na Abdulai. So da jila wala. Den time kwalda korpam kabandira nanda ka yi sim ku pian ka nang ban yim pian ka ni bi chiang na yir par. Zo to blan lana ben yara blan nanda. En ka kumbiya ne mirba pamba mbe tompune to wumi na kamantose ayenda kamantose yama da kunya la biya bandira kan shinkafa akulan to da to put economic hardship aside enti hatamel tompune tiri en dole piyan man ra korsha kum na mel tan kam ka kumel tamal ke ka kumel dab so den katananma imani tibi pola imani yelta karacin ma do tanan bambe juma yelmanle akutu bora kaba tsahar na zan kuliyin I tabna be yel no miyanwo itumtum ma katu su katu kana yo ta kamna tzazo kama intum zan tuma so dan ke nan ne yel fu barba na tampan ma banda kora na ta lapta bilcinsi ta yanam na ra korsha ta barin na ra korsha lapsan. And final question, man, about politics, man. The politicians, Pam Tozuya, come on, honorable nation, but Pamela Banda Behin. Wula Kabiyan, no, something million. How will go politics out of Nama? Kabibla be used to no Kulumini, who could your own worship, Kayi so cool. Kasobo chant board nam, Kamani no Zoltan Sherman. Politician ira kana to board na party bonyu ka to banku na ka zo posta to ka posta kam tab na yirma ba zo do zuya karanya na wonya tenum banye bana be kan politicians ma de man la tenum zande la gabro tenum na kara chuanda tenum su usur ka boham bana wula nye itabu zan changa la ben ma pro ka no to wala ka che Dagbon.
I to my chitaba. The regional minister or Yara Napi take politicians. Namaye to Aka to us. Thank you for following. ba professor ambaki oyi kisha ayere ne tinkan ma na shabambi Dagbon ma to number sawa
Looks like we have to.
ya na wi tum suna lan kashe kululu marieto domi munusu odaba
Huh? I need to sit on the floor.
ya na yitir nam
I need to sit on the floor.
umanoti tinkam na ungel don so tan ko zan ya na zille kana uma na kan wa biye daban o ka sol ni o biye na baki ayere ne yina nyebe be tsa da nyebe ku parlam da biye ni frankly speaking ya ma ka yelma ama dan ba ku parlam da ban ni yela yi ya tulma nyala sambla mir gorbe dan pahayi bibra koro nga haba bitu harsalanka domin banda wursitin sham alam biba ko poza wut bukbalam atandalla da kanna da mitla de Colombia ambassador. So oyeleni o kana to pondendiana. Ka tibachan Colombia ma. Tinya zampu parwa ka kana yan. The most tinya irrigation. Tazan la chira yo nkwara. Kazan chira yo ishite buna. How can we survive? Those some of the programs should say NGOs that build fish ponds. One if Bema Land Kashele, Bengeni Mane, you Zahma. Zahme Ya Kunyala Chirayo. So Kunaza Mole Europe. And I meet the ambassador so come by South America. Suriname. I want that to put the Diana. Don't pull connection, Mama. Let us look at the man. You made me need to pull it to show my girl. This is my first time of coming to America. Can you be anyone in Pagamutia? Come and miss you. My new Canadian, I want to know. Bounce. When you know me, you see what NGOs. Kaya to ya kaza, ye bola na ye kaza. Kati chanto po, ko zan ti chanto ya na sana. Mumia ni ibola son simple. Yon obu malorpam. Bonya bantil. American, there's money. But those people who are standing, they are not there. You may listen to me. Yindila normal. La normal to me, I'm the NGOs. Ka chante lozo. Ka pole Bakpem Pishigu-Lana. Be original minister. Be ma. Anye kat the bounty and nation. Ka bakana karmalgin. Tena bamiso. Te kamna neti ya. Ama ai chande New York. Be actually state ya kasa mene bomo yoku yelma no boshi da aka tubo na kubisa ke tite 2 years to 3 years ke nye pu parliament ne lebu da bambiro ko nda yela de bambra same producers association president Central and Western region. Training about 10,000 farmers. Go construct a fish ponds. You construct a dugout until the land Kuparuma. So on level now. Go to them the woman. Amaiza and Yusmana. Tell Lambe, you were original minister. You were Bakpem Pishigu-Lana. So comes a higher year was. So you know, so catching Kanama. te kamana te pania ne isma ke state na man lauzor no ka be sonya ki san kula to sonda ne ya a ku parlement ye to ani rekna minister ba ni ya security kana ba fere this one I said go back to ya the bond development
about security. To look at your Mazayo. Sharani, my legal minister. So, you know, natural point. Zayu natural point. Zahami, young security situation in Asia. Zahami, there are. Beshaden on the Tamal, then go away, go the regions. Zanye, Kamali, then I won't be got their shot about the barrier. The health and semi. Yeni gangsters, come on, don't go on the people, Mutima, the Rabbi Shadon, the Tukawata. Is a Hadishara Kamampe, 15 years. But entirely. Over the regular meetings with the Regional Security Council. Regular meetings. We told them, go Shabbian Bagatani to Regional Security Council meeting 4 times. So it is not the letter. I never can the poor Tafuma. Limani, the night, Palagara. I cannot say last week. Then you another chair meeting of the Traditional Council. The last meeting was called at my instance. And in that time to power. The mid Angela observation shall come down. The open display of arms. Kamantile and Balkule, be and Topo. The guy at Andani and Damba. And you can never go in open, in open air. AK-47 SMGs and other arms that are not supposed to be in the hands of the general public. The media but I could be indiscriminately. So can I make an observation? Can I chant a parallel without convening the Traditional Council meeting? Last Saturday in Dagbon, when I went down and sang in Dagbon, that employed the use of the handling of those arms. Kara-Naa Sola, the tea yeka solan kulu, the checkers of the tree. There's one thing that I had a meeting with the Security Council. And some of the song. So I went to Pauli. Can't book my from but if I kill my shot, I don't see the body. It's on Yina Puluni. Salgonetia. The Daniela in that general chanted Basu. Carmela to name is young now. Coban Buluma. Yella in them. I know Buluma politician. Big Buluma now. Political aspect of it, Mabuzotana. Mamba nyala politician. Donc na nuto bale che kazagotiba. Ama bumbu do nan mo. Eyen non na dia mala le mejamna. Ben shazo de da che kazan le chanti son. Davia na to no bala. O me titi dia le ti ne ka so burle. Tigba mo ka che kazagotiba. Lisa hanyala de shabi enforce security. Shelton Borma. Dagbon. Dama kaza fiel ngel. To born the land when we cannot see the Dagbon calculation. We take an agas bomber from Chama. This ama in your own ways to corrupt Dagbon customer. Because Dagbon the pool, bomber from Chama or the cannon. How be a Kibungo? It is a having a gunpowder map in the Shama. Then come to be a malvish, then come on that. Artillery rifles and other offensive material, rifle, the Samar, the Tamkan. So, Popo, there's a Jenny, the constitutional security. They cannot constantly. The plan to know that in unity on the political activities, Kafurbiani, Kasababjani, is a thing of the past. Under my watch, because the short man yellow man yellow tamale. Problems man and you know Loshama. Tamili. Secondly, political and yellow NPP. But I've had several meetings with the NDC, including the minority leader. Uganda office always. Uganda office Katishina. Each other granting office Katishina. I'm happy that I have some MPCA, but the Rishara can get no convenient meetings from Katishina. Those all political opponents sway and my to Ashele. They would let them to whether you're NPP or you're NDC. Because these are the two major political parties share the money. In the last 2 years, there's a political tolerance. The party, northern, especially Dagbon. There with some politics, there's only charity in the way to approve. The Bantama, it is at its barest minimum. When you can carry office, there are a very protracted chieftaincy issue. Between the Kemyele, the Kanda-Yele, Bula-Yele. We are still working on it. Tinabenale. There are some political will and let the partial pull. There are colors to sell and machine, and some of the team Diana. I bet you can now, and I will put Pishigu-Lana, but me. Turn to let the partial. Hale Namizan, a whole Rexek, at the Chankat Million or 4 court. No Rexek meeting with him. Didn't Mazahangela, don't born and numbing politics, the land the Karazan was who do Shanti Dagbon. And I think it is working. Also on the part of security, we are doing the shall come. Check out so do the Dagbon. Those all presentation for the year. Yes, Dagbon should go there. The year shall come. The number of company, keep on cover. The Shadi and Tansi. That's only Williams. That we know, I think you know. The reality, then not the Kabu Shelley. Then not the we Shadi and check out the Batizari Willie. That's a kind of activity. That's a big was Suri. The Rajan cabinet retreat. We learn this Sheldon again over my soul. I love now. Tell me, inflation shouldn't be Ghana. Food inflation. Then the Mala, the Coco about 20% of the 31 or 32% inflation shouldn't be Ghana. Food inflation could about 20% of that. Typical food inflation. Ghana inflation rate shouldn't jump 30%, but not Kopani. I mean, northern region. Be the northern part of Ghana. I cannot tell you food inflation shall be any. They're no lower than the prevailing rate down south. Moletale, the continent Malay, the Tribu to Corona. Here, Tiaran Mahana. I can account Balanya 300 cities. Tambale. I can use 650 cities. Why is it so? The difference of 350 cities. Beyond the low recharging. Low recharging may be 50 cities. I Okpala, Nazan Chakra. They love 40 cities, between 30 and 40 cities. So, the land astronomical increase shall be the moment. So, these are all things that they try as a government to streamline. Those all things that cabinet. There are some measures shall come. About 20 measures were identified. Out of 20 mark, at 6. Within the next 6 months, Kenya Nation, the Yambo added value to what we produce in Ghana. As a matter of fact, the first promotion by May this next year, TM banned the importation of rice. Total ban of the importation of rice. Mr. Hamemi Ghana, Bonko Shikafa Shampoo. The Shikafa Shampoo come out of Jenny. Shikafa my Jenny. When they posted to process and the current money, Shikafa Shampoo to your mind. So what we need to do is to build processing factories to process our own homegrown rice. I bam, based on the Shikafa Shampoo now. Whereas the Malay, there is no Konya Shalma fresh. The total Karamata laughing Kari, that's on the shelter tomorrow. Mamuya on Yalashi, Maya Puparanya. Number you la Shikafa can do it, not to one. I share TV processor, Tananto process the Mamma. Now, about Pishigu-Lana. We don't back our ideas and share. I can tell you on authority that over last year produce didn't be any. Last year, there are soya bean, only soya beans. I bought a new tractor. This was unfair compound. But I regrettably, there are at the raw stage. We add value to anything. Indians in our book and to India. I still saw it to be huge money that I took from them, but that is not the right way. Because soya punetu to yekam, soya punetu to poultry feed. Then come about poultry feed from outside. I shan't even processing cooking oil man. Then Pelmatina goes on a pie, maize or produce poultry feed man. This will then the Mazana, the Dela, the near Pune. We have banned in 6 months' time, till banned the importation of poultry and poultry products. In Yellow Mazana, these are Hanka Lasna, will come now, one and two no sham. An establishment, the assault in that direction, you will be welcome. The Rabbi Mazaya come under the government flagship programs by Yindi. There's a program that is coming, the You Start program. The Nyala between the ages of 18 to 35. Banning Kabia and Tila startup capitals. Kabazam Chendala Yaroma Shahati. And already established industries. They can now with partnerships. Buba Malab category. That is the 40 and above the mobile. The Bamba category shall be in place so that they can form partnerships, form companies that will deal in processing and other things. The importation of drugs, because Ghana, the Bamba pharmaceutical companies, but they don't produce the drugs that we need. Just a few drugs, Shayam Geni, Kabian Sai, Kab importer. All importation of drugs will be banned after 6 months. And privilege and priority will be given to companies that will be formed in Ghana by Ghanaians or form partnerships with other parastatal that produce drugs in Ghana. It's one of the immediate 6 shelters selected. The importation of fruit juices, because to call them more pineapple, bishop come to corner. Yet the demand, take on they are rotten. They are poor by you. Juices, artificial juices, cathedral and Canada. So in 6 months' time, we are going to ban the importation of fruit juices into Ghana. These are all opportunities for you to capitalize on. How many achieve the one. You don't need $100,000 to form, to set up these companies. Because it's a having in Dagbon, so we don't pull it. I could Canada to show pull on our to now they now set up a factory. Now better Canada. Company them been quality monga. Then they pattern kuni and yell I hear don't target nothing company. Abi and Diam Delam which I'm like entirely. The big time of Tami, the big time will untag of Bushari. So these are all opportunities this is the number. Ghana, we have opportunity to produce our own ceramic tiles. In 6 months' time, there is going to be a total ban on the importation of ceramic tiles because the companies shall come forming in Takradi can produce ceramic tiles. I love that. Bube, the line man, the clean a bit Bube. And that is part of what we use to produce ceramic tiles and other things. We have it. Please, form partnerships. Look for strategic investors to form partnerships with them. We are going to create opportunity for all these opportunities that they mentioned now. I identify one. We will take you through. Things are in social I have a trade office in my office at the Regional Coordinating Council. We will link you up with Andani, in charge of trade activities. That is, they will take you through. You have brochures to read on. Then can the year come on the NDA document, man. They are not available. I will make a copy available to Chief. You can achieve Sani. You come more interest in it. Probably you can even reproduce it so that when comes to have the copy of it. Can you and the vision that we have for the northern part of Ghana? Can you and it fit in for Shaibu? And you also take advantage of the opportunities that will come from that. There was a summit, NDA summit, where it was well attended. That pledge also comes out was very much in tune with the agenda initially in that moment. So these are all opportunities that there's a hand to capitalize on. There's only example that we see. As to credit now, look at the product because Naba Pishigu-Lana. People shall want native any then because we shall the family and nobody in the view. She look high. Zaima will be shut up, Tarzan Sabel Tablet, the good people. People shall say, pull me, what filled them, but when yelling, you could see Lashan Kana, and fund the champagne, other things. I think he's expected that he will educate us more. Don't you bet to any partially conditions are better in the but I have the hope that he put it to act together. We stand a very good chance of making it. Dagbon on some petty San Papupo, Jelly on some man. Dagbon at the Bonyel
the committee committee Mazalana and Mazahazan. So the government project is our car the show be she conco yet on here, the Gonzaha yet on here. Those so to council. In Lampa complains on Papia Friella it should be in one of your closing remarks. Or the Zampa Commander Ban Lango, but to in the Bankrum Chilema younger here, Lango to one and Bohem Banks command for the one traditional council. I do an impatient woman, then Canada. About your Kana, John, about your Yonabian, then Mazahan Paladus. those was Zalpana Kamazama. I won't come Kanatijan Mumani, Shark opens and Zalpana Sharma, Zalatutu. Matia turns on Regional Minister Batu. Ozante continue to go come here. Design Yellow Zalpana, come Kana, don't go and check. Those of the Palakamani Youth Association, they some kind of goodwill, no. The one Zalpana, now you are making the president. Those are don't be answered. The local essential politics. Commander Mabibana Yelma, Nanam Shep Tuzan, politics stubborn. Is under the regular minister. What we are not be a kind of politician. But the Hati Shahar, won't go down Borussia. Those of Manda Kuzan Shelty, the Bamba, the Lanza, the Bampatana. Manakai, I yell at Dagbon before everything else. I took politics because I was only Mboda one, no Mazan the one pattern. I'm a bank some come, Kari-Naa, I am going at the bank at the bank some down front, the wines on the bank pattern. So, to Pontama, tis a haka to Congo, Kadan and Congo, come my banks and come the somebody working. The Santa Pattern, the Mapon Nigeria. I am the one battle. I am the Quaboka. Those politics, the non switch, the building development of so coming to ballot box, no intention. I mean, I mean, I pull up which might make a lawyer. But below you got your ladder. Madame, could see a tissue, lawyer got your ladder. Mbonya is Mbonya MPP. Each and woman could not catch it. The boy is a last sample. Those desire the women to yell as a Dagbon. Those are for your man, but you can have in the regions and now you're talking. Nobody shall talk.
Because I know them by the most Dagbon. Bakpem, but none of the day. One man. The Jim Pam Dagbon. You may yen at the top from Karazan. That them can be there, Kaka skills. Oka Bansam would know. I have my farm manager back. Oka Bansam would know. Oka any skills. Ka $200 million. Oil cooling. Domi ukabans. Uruzo bingoma to be poor be shelter to be have a spumoma. I became man naya super. Manaya ma aqua bome, Kaula Muta Manasuku. I shall spum Benola, the Benara. The women I share will not come on your computer. What one of them? So that may be shown. Then check at the bond to check to it. The yellow bumpia, I might run against somebody. Put Parlam put what John told in the bump. Can let the Banama, Caribbean, the get told. Ten warring about the border 4C plus 2M. The first C stands for the capital. Any business, any farmer to start without money, you can't go anywhere. The second C stands for commitment. Any business, any farmer, and you don't have any commitment to work, you will not succeed. Any farmer or businessman, and the third stand for chance. Any business at all that you are doing, and you take it as your choice, you fail. Take it as your chance. This is the business that I will survive with my family. Encourage. If you don't have the courage of what you are doing, it's meaningless. It's cost 90. Cost 90 means 0. This is a thing that we are lacking. And the farmers in Northern region, The second two M stand for one stand for motivate. We are not motivating ourselves. We are not motivating our workers. And if you want a good resource in your work site, motivate the workers. Ka temal pukwarba, atu pona ka pi biara somtu. So kutuzo mo chansha. Ka pukwarba men na melbe shaw. O kunyam ka so kan kwashi ka fo ko gba chantu kwara. Oye ka she kon kwara de so e bis ko chantu kwara. Dama itu kulutma beza no la wala. So the last M stand for market. The farmers in northern region, they are not looking for market. The marketing can be around you, your district, your region, and the other regions. So there are many things that we are putting together to see how best that the bank can move. So, you may be you made the knowledge. You made the knowledge. Tenshi tu mama, the woman America got to share. Shall you let some man and Trump now America got share? Most one part to pump at woman. Some of us we have a lot of work to do, but we sacrifice to come and listen to you and give what we have for you. If you are simply welcome.
الحمد لله فاطر السماوات والأرض جاعل الملائكة رسلا أولي أجنحة مثنى وثلاث ورباع يزيد في خلق ما يشاء يزيد في خلق ما يشاء يزيد في خلق ما يشاء إن الله على كل شيء قدير. طبعا ولبنا ونتكثر لبنا وفهد يقصون لعنو سبيان بيعنو لبنا ونشعت العام بسم الله ناغنا الحمد لله. تركينا بسم الله قد يهتم لنتنا الحمد لله والحمد لله تشكرنا يا ناولو يكفر ناولو تكثر ناولو تكثر بيعلك تسينا انت هدي نا دمبا من سمو من يمشي كافك هم بدن كتر هم بيعلك تسينا ربنا هب لنا من ازواجنا وذرياتنا قرة اعين واجعلنا للمتقين اماما ربنا اتنا في الدنيا حسنه وفي الاخره حسنه وقنا عذاب النار وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى اله واصحابه وسلم تسليما سبحان ربك رب العزه عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين صلوا على
محمد سكما موني ka Bakpem minna bapra ka kwamba zayi poi ka sukam nayi to ma poi ka tnayi don appeal for financial man man now you kone to get 12,000